how to draw any function in graph from the equation. So let's say I have a function g sub e, or not g sub e, g of e. G of e is equal to 8 pi square root of 2 me divided by h square to the power 3 by 2 times square root of e. Now, this is a function and it looks like a very complicated function, but you will see that it's actually a very simple function. First of all, tell me what is the independent variable for this function? E, right? So the independent variable has to be written in the x-axis, right? X-axis বলাটা ঠিক না, আমরা বলবো যে horizontal axis এ আমরা independent variableটা লিখে দেই, এবং জেনারেলি এখানে যে ইটা বলেছি, ইটা হচ্ছে আসলে এনার্জি। Okay. Now, what is the dependent variable? Dependent variable is G. তাই না? এবং এটা যে ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ভেরিয়েবল, এটা বোঝানোর জন্য ওই দেখেন প্যারেনথেসিসের ভিতরে একটা ই বসানো হয়েছে, রাইট? That means that G is actually a function of E. So G is the dependent variable. Okay. This is called dependent variable. And this is independent variable. Okay. Now you see, this is me, this is the mass of electron, and this is a constant, right? H is Planck's constant, so this is also a constant. And baki je jinishgulo ache square root of e chhara, those are all constant. So basically Ge is equal to a constant, say A, times square root of e. So you see that this is a very simple function. Okay. Now this function is Ge, it is called density of states. Density of states. Okay, density of states. Okay, so the thing is that we want to write, or we want to draw this function. So how can you draw this function? কিভাবে এই ফাংশনটা যদি আমি ড্র করতে চাই, তাহলে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? Of course I need to put the value of e, right? I need to put different values of e, and then I need to basically find out corresponding value of Ge, and I will get the coordinates, right? Coordinate points পাবো, এই সেই পয়েন্টগুলো যদি আমি ওই গ্রাফে ড্র করি, I will get the total graph, right? So for example, say if e is equal to 0, G কত হবে? 0. Then if e is equal to 1, what will be G? 4. It will be, right? So it goes on like that. I intentionally have taken 4 so that when we do the square root, it would be 2, right? So now you have 0, 0, and then you have for 1, you have A, right? And then for 2, 3, 4, you have 2, right? So for 1, you have A, for 4, you have 2, right? So this is A, this is twice A. Okay. So now add these points, and it will look something like this. অর্থাৎ যত আপনি ইটা বাড়াতে থাকবেন, জি টা তার স্কয়ার রুট অনুযায়ী বাড়তে থাকবে, right? So this is how my Ge versus E look like. Okay, so we should be very comfortable in drawing any functions like this. ঠিক আছে? So what are the things that we need to keep into mind? Number one, I need to define this horizontal and vertical axis. এই যে arrow দিয়ে আমি এই axisটা আঁকবো। আর তারপরে I need to define my horizontal axis. In this case, it is E. Vertical axis is, in this case, is G. এই দুটো কথা লিখতে হবে। Then I need to put sample values of like x and y to get this graph. Okay, এবং sample value গুলো যদি sample point গুলো যদি আপনি যোগ করে দেন, you will get the graph. Okay, so এই জিনিসটা আমরা কিন্তু জানি এবং but we need to be very careful in drawing this